Welcome to Astronomy Daily, your go-to podcast for the latest and most exciting space and astronomy news. I'm your host, Anna, and we've got a stellar lineup of stories for you today. In this episode, we'll be exploring some groundbreaking developments in space technology and cosmic discoveries. We'll start with NASA's latest achievement in laser communications, which could revolutionize how we send and receive data from space. Then, we'll dive into the fascinating world of asteroid mining and how it might just be the key to sustaining long-duration space missions. We'll also take a peek at Blue Origin's ambitious plans for the first commercial space station. But that's not all. We'll discuss NASA's new category of space missions and wrap up with a cosmic drama involving a black hole, star destruction, and an unexpected collision. So, strap in and get ready for a journey through the cosmos. This is Astronomy Daily, and we're about to take off. NASA has achieved a significant breakthrough in space communications technology with its low-cost optical terminal, or ELcoT. This ground station, made from modified commercial hardware, has successfully transmitted its first laser communications uplink to space. The target of this groundbreaking transmission was T-Bird, the terabyte infrared delivery payload, a small device about the size of a tissue box that was formerly in low Earth orbit. During the first live sky test, ELcoT managed to produce enough uplink intensity for T-Bird to identify the laser beacon, connect, and maintain a connection for over 3 minutes. To put this achievement into perspective, connecting ELcoT's laser beacon from Earth to T-Bird required an incredibly precise pointing accuracy of 1 milliradian. That's equivalent to hitting a 3-foot target from a distance of more than 8 American football fields away. This successful test marks a significant step forward for laser communications in space. In a real-world scenario, the 3-minute connection time between T-Bird and ELcoT would be enough to transmit over 5 terabytes of critical science data. That's equivalent to more than 2,500 hours of high-definition video in a single pass. The potential impact of this technology is enormous. Laser communications can transfer 10 to 100 times more data than traditional radio frequency waves. This means that as our space missions venture further into the solar system and beyond, we'll be able to maintain robust connections and receive unprecedented amounts of data from these distant explorers. NASA's Space Communications and Navigation Program is already implementing laser communications technology in various orbits, including the upcoming Artemis II mission. As we look to the future of space exploration, including potential missions to Mars, this technology could serve as a critical lifeline for astronauts and scientific instruments alike. The ELcoT team continues to refine their pointing capabilities through additional tests, demonstrating the potential of laser communications to revolutionize our access to new data about Earth, our solar system, and beyond. This breakthrough paves the way for a new era in space communications, promising to unlock new frontiers in our understanding of the cosmos. In a groundbreaking development, researchers from Western University's Institute for Earth and Space Exploration have unveiled a potential solution to one of the biggest challenges of long-duration space missions: food supply. They've identified a way to produce edible biomass using microbes and organic compounds found in asteroids. This innovative process involves using high heat to break down the organic compounds in asteroids through a process called pyrolysis. The resulting hydrocarbons could then be fed to microbes, which would consume the organic material and produce biomass that's nutritionally valuable for humans. The researchers focused on carbonaceous chondrites, a type of asteroid that contains substantial amounts of water and organic matter. Asteroids like Bennu, which NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission recently sampled, fall into this category. Calculations suggest that asteroids similar to Bennu could potentially produce between 50 to 6,550 metric tons of edible biomass. That's enough calories to support between 600 and 17,000 astronaut life years, depending on how much of the asteroid's organic matter can be converted into food. This method could revolutionize long-duration space travel by allowing astronauts to rely on locally sourced food instead of carrying large quantities from Earth. However, there's still work to be done. Future studies will need to explore the practicalities of mining and processing asteroids during missions, as well as ensuring the resulting food is safe and palatable for human consumption. As NASA prepares to retire the International Space Station by the end of this decade, private companies are stepping up to fill the void. Blue Origin, the space company founded by Jeff Bezos, is leading the charge with an ambitious project called Orbital Reef. Imagine a floating business park in space, complete with sleeping quarters, social areas, and state-of-the-art research facilities. That's exactly what Blue Origin is aiming to create with Orbital Reef, set to launch by 2030. This commercial space station will orbit 311 miles above Earth and boast an impressive 29,300 cubic feet of habitable space. The station's modular design allows for future expansion, potentially growing into a larger base camp over time. Initially, Orbital Reef will accommodate up to 10 people, including scientists, international astronauts, and even tourists. Yes, you heard that right. Space tourism could become a reality sooner than we think. One of the most exciting features planned for Orbital Reef is the opportunity for spacewalks. Tourists will be able to venture outside the station in specially designed capsules, offering breathtaking views of Earth unlike anything possible from the ground. The station will also include hydroponic gardens to grow fresh produce, addressing one of the major challenges of long-term space habitation. And for those worried about staying connected, fear not, Orbital Reef will come equipped with Wi-Fi, allowing for video calls back to Earth with an unbeatable backdrop. As we look to the future of space exploration and commerce, projects like Orbital Reef represent a bold new frontier. It's an exciting time for space enthusiasts and aspiring astronauts alike, as the dream of living and working in space inches closer to reality. NASA has just unveiled an exciting new category of space missions called Probe Explorers. This new program is designed to bridge the gap between NASA's large-scale flagship missions and their smaller exploration projects. The Probe Explorers program aims to foster creative ideas for exploring the universe, and it's already shaping up to be one of NASA's largest astrophysics initiatives. Nicola Fox, NASA's Associate Administrator of the Science Mission Directorate, praised the program for taking creativity to new heights. 2 proposed missions are currently under consideration for the inaugural Probe Explorer launch. The first is the Advanced X-ray Imaging Satellite, which would provide a large, flat field of view with high spatial resolution. This satellite could revolutionize our understanding of supermassive black holes and galaxy evolution. The second contender is the Probe Far Infrared mission for astrophysics. This 1.8-meter telescope would study far infrared radiation in space, filling a crucial gap in our observation capabilities between the James Webb Space Telescope and radio telescopes. Both projects will receive $5 million for a 12-month concept study. After careful evaluation, NASA will select one of these missions in 2026 for a planned launch in 2032. This new program is part of NASA's long-running Explorers program, which has been providing low-cost access to space since 1958. With over 90 successful science-led missions to date, the addition of Probe Explorers promises to usher in a new era of cosmic discovery and innovation. In a cosmic drama of epic proportions, astronomers have witnessed a massive black hole engaged in a destructive rampage. This celestial behemoth first tore apart an unfortunate star that ventured too close and is now using the stellar debris as ammunition to pummel another nearby object. This extraordinary discovery was made possible through the combined efforts of multiple NASA observatories, including the Chandra X-ray Observatory, Hubble Space Telescope, and the NICER instrument aboard the International Space Station. The story begins in 2019 when astronomers observed a star being shredded by the immense gravitational forces of a supermassive black hole. This violent event, known as a tidal disruption, left behind a disk of stellar remains orbiting the black hole. But the cosmic spectacle didn't end there. Over the next few years, this debris disk expanded outward, setting the stage for an even more dramatic encounter. The expanding disk has now collided with another celestial body, either a star or a smaller black hole, that was previously orbiting at a safe distance from the central supermassive black hole. This collision is creating repeated bursts of X-rays as the orbiting object plows through the debris disk approximately every 48 hours. It's like watching a cosmic game of bumper cars, but with far more devastating consequences. What makes this discovery particularly exciting is that it provides a crucial link between 2 previously mysterious phenomena: tidal disruption events and quasi-periodic eruptions. Scientists have long suspected a connection between these 2 types of events, and now they have the evidence to prove it. This cosmic collision is not only a spectacular display of the universe's violent nature, but also a valuable opportunity for astronomers to study the environment around supermassive black holes. It offers insights into the distribution of matter and the gravitational dynamics in these extreme cosmic neighborhoods. As we continue to observe this ongoing stellar drama, who knows what other secrets of the universe it might reveal? It's a potent reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmos, where destruction and creation often go hand in hand. And that wraps up today's episode of Astronomy Daily. What an incredible journey through the cosmos we've had. From groundbreaking laser communications to the possibility of asteroid-based space food, the future of space exploration is looking brighter than ever. I'm Anna, and it's been my pleasure to guide you through these fascinating developments in space and astronomy. If you've enjoyed today's episode and want to stay up to date with all the latest cosmic news, I've got some great ways for you to do just that. Head over to our website at astronomydaily.io where you can sign up for our free daily newsletter. It's packed with all the space goodness you could want, delivered straight to your inbox. While you're there, check out our constantly updating newsfeed for the most recent developments in astronomy and space exploration. And if you're craving more audio content, you can listen to all our back episodes right on the website. It's a treasure trove of space knowledge waiting to be explored. Don't forget to connect with us on social media too. You can find us as Astro Daily Pod on Facebook, X, YouTube, and TikTok. Give us a follow to get bite-sized space facts and news throughout your day. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time, this is Anna signing off from Astronomy Daily.